Prime Minister of Malaysia and his cabinet are stepping down today, and at least 58 people are dead in Turkey after flash floods that devastated parts of the country. Ian Lee is following these stories and other major headlines around the world. Ian, what can you tell us?
Good morning, Laura. Yeah, Turkey hasn't been able to catch a break. Not only has the country dealt with devastating wildfires in the south, it's experiencing widespread flooding in the north. Rain swelled rivers beyond their banks, devastating towns and cities. The raging water destroyed buildings and homes. At least 58 people have been killed in the flash floods. Search and rescue operations are still underway to find people who are missing while scouring the rubble of demolished buildings. More than 2,000 people have been evacuated and dozens of villages remain without electricity. We now move on to the tragedy that is Lebanon. At least 20 people were killed and dozens injured when a gas tank exploded in the north on Sunday. The country is already suffering from a severe fuel shortage, which has led to long lines at gas stations and rolling blackouts. The tank had been seized by the military, who was handing out the gas to residents when it exploded. The cause of the explosion is unknown, with theories ranging from a bullet igniting the tank to someone lighting a cigarette. Next, we're in Malaysia, where the Prime Minister and Cabinet submitted their resignation to the King today. And this comes as the country deals with its worst outbreak of COVID-19 and an economic crisis hit by multiple lockdowns. Prime Minister Muhyiddin Yassin said he was resigning because he lost his majority of support in Parliament, but will remain at his post until a new leader is appointed. Malaysia has the 6th highest infection rate in the world right now and the most in Asia. Nearly 1/3 of the country, though, has been vaccinated. Finally, we have sad news for soccer fans. Bayern Munich and German legend Gerd Muller has died at the age of 75. He was one of the best strikers in the history of the game. During his 15-year career, he almost guaranteed at least 1 goal per game. Muller helped West Germany dominate the international scene, including scoring the winning shot in the 1974 World Cup final against the Netherlands. In 2015, his club announced he was suffering from Alzheimer's disease. Laura, I'm not the biggest soccer fan, but it was interesting looking into Muller's achievements. He was such a dominating and feared player that he was known as the Muhammad Ali of the penalty box. In 1972, he achieved the record for the most goals in a calendar year. That stood until 2012 when it was passed by superstar Lionel Messi.
I also read, Ian, that he was called Der Bomber, the bomber in German, and he was just beloved by German fans and international fans. And it's too bad that we've lost 2 soccer greats in less than a year span. Maradona died in November 2020. Ian.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Thanks.